Falcon S, just been refurbished. ESAB cool jet cutting post, HL83, Burny 2.5, gas manifold system, the makeup tracing area as we have the table, the machine scanning and downloading through the RS232. More details available from Westermans.com. On other machines we either refurbish to order or we refurbish machines, plasma machines, gas machines. Also a wide range of welding positioners, rotators, MIGs, TIGs, sub-arc, column and booms and special machineries. One which includes a lot of orbital welders. Like I say, more details available from Westermans.com. Thank you for looking.